What's the meaning of all-nighter? All-nighter. 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 All-nighter.
The term all-nighter refers to staying awake all night, usually to work on something important or urgent such as studying for an exam, finishing a project or meeting a deadline. The result of an all-nighter can be mixed. On the one hand, it can lead to increased productivity and a sense of accomplishment. On the other hand, it can also result in fatigue, decreased cognitive abilities, and negatively impact physical and mental health. It's generally not recommended to pull an all-nighter unless absolutely necessary, and taking breaks and getting enough rest is crucial to avoid burnout.